Hey there, let's dive into the world of EdTech, a blend of education and technology. EdTech's roots trace back to the 1900s with the invention of educational films and radio broadcasts. Fast forward to the 21st century, we've got interactive whiteboards, online learning platforms, and AI tutors. The main concept? Using tech to enhance learning and teaching. It's all about making education more engaging and accessible. Think about it. With EdTech, you can learn anything, anytime, anywhere. Pretty cool, right? Significant developments. Oh, there are many. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and machine learning, to name a few. Imagine learning about the solar system through a VR headset. It's like a field trip to space. Today, EdTech is booming. COVID-19 has accelerated its adoption, with remote learning becoming the new normal. What's next for EdTech? Personalized learning, perhaps. Imagine a learning experience tailored just for you. The future? It's exciting. EdTech is reshaping the classroom experience, making learning more fun and effective. To explore more on this topic and other skills, log into Gyata.ai. See you there.